Well, it's Saturday morning. Guess what I'm doing? I bet you can't guess. Oh, did you guess running? Yeah. First thing in the morning. Let's do this. I bet that was the president. Betcha. Oh, hello, friend. Good morning. Hi. Hey, stop it. You need to relax. Look at that pretty kitty in the window. Shh. Look at the pretty kitty. Whee! Whee! All right. Go get your ball, doo-doo. Where's your ball? That run was really hot. That run was hot. But it's a good way to start the weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend. Where's your ball? Go get your ball. Go. Oh my goodness. So I get to work all weekend, which I'm excited about. And then Sunday, I'm spending all afternoon and all evening at the beach. I'm excited about that. Would you please go get your ball so we can play? That's how this works. You fetch, I throw. Go get your ball. Where is it? This grass is kind of tall, so you probably can't find it. Go get it. Noodles, relax. Where's your ball? Go get it. So, got big plans for today before I go to work. So, I better go do them. Man, since it's Saturday, I got to run longer, which is fantastic, but it just proves how out of shape I am. But I'm going to get there. I'm going to get there. Plus, it's going to be like 90 degrees this weekend, so I think it's like already 70. So it's pretty hot out, but that doesn't excuse the fact that I'm out of shape. I'm going to help this dude find his ball. How did I find that and he has not found it yet? It's right there. He's like in the bushes. Can you go see that? Noodles, get your ball. It's right there. Let me show you. There it is. Do you see it? Oh my gosh, I found it. Oh, it squeaks. I didn't know it squeaks. Get it. All right, let's play. Okie dokie, Smokey. I'm all done with Target. Got what I needed, some groceries. And now it's time for a little bit of hair appointments. Just one. I'm going to it.
Wake up to the morning light, wipe away the lonely night, let a brand new day wash over you.
Ooh, I just passed a dead snake in the road. And there was a black bird at its funeral. Ooh. Ew. So I'm going through like a rack of my old pictures because, long story short, I'm meeting with a bunch of my girlfriends for a recital and I'm trying to find all of our old dance pictures. But look what I found. Alicia, this season has been a great bonding experience. Thank you for being a close, caring friend. You have come a long way in your running and you are continuing to get stronger. Good luck in all that you do, girl. 2004 cross country. So anyway, it's just kind of funny. Not kind of funny. It's just ironic because I'm like hardcore pushing. I've always been a runner. And this proves it. Hello, high school cross country. But anyway, so like all these hard runs I'm doing in the morning, just gotta remember that this is what I love to do, and it's gonna be hard, but it's gonna be really good. That's one random dinner right there. Yummy!